Business ethics. What is ethics? Ethics is a collection of moral principles and rules of conduct accepted by part of all the member of the society. Ethics is a science that studies moral principle and reasoning of what is right and what is wrong, distinguish the good from the bad, and analyzing the motives and consequence of human actions. What is business ethics? Business ethics can be defined as a written and unwritten code of principles and values that govern decisions and actions of individuals within an organization. Business ethics apply not only to how the business interact with the world at large, but also that they are one or more dealing with a single consumer. Two schools of thoughts. There are two schools of thoughts how company should approach of a definition for business ethics. Shareholder perspective focus on making decisions that are in the owner best interest. Stakeholder perspective focus on making decisions that consider the need and interest of the multiple stakeholder groups, not just those with a direct financial stake in the organization's profits and losses. Importance of business ethics. Earn business loyalty, save billion or lawsuits, take better decisions, pillar of strategic planning and strategic thinking, base of continuity in business relationship, improve employees' performance. Sources of ethics and myths about ethics. Source of ethics: religion, culture, laws. Scope of business ethics: business ideas and objectives need to be harmless. Product and service must not be harmful. Business location must not cause difficulty to the neighboring people. Fuel consumption by product and wastage must not cause injury and discomfort to the surrounding people. Customers should be served with true information. Scope of business ethics: employees should be hired without discrimination with fair ways, providing work, society, and healthy work conditions, opportunities for promotion, retirement benefits, cause no harm to the community and urbanization, help the government through regular taxes dues, faithfully follow national economic, business and industrial policies, social contributions to various affairs to the society. Myths about business ethics. Business ethics more of matter of religion than management. Our employees are ethical, so we don't need attention and business ethics. Business ethics is a discipline best led by philosopher and academic. Business ethics is superfluous. Myths about business ethics. Business ethics is a matter of the good guys preached to bad guys. Business ethics is the new policy person up on the block. Ethics can't be managed. Business ethics and social responsibility are the same thing. Other organization not in trouble with the law, so we are ethical. Myths about business ethics. Managing ethics is the workplace has little practical relevance. Thank you.